Kay of Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this week we're having Spring Floral Week at Kay's Creative Home. So I have another quick and easy floral design I want to share with you. So let's get started. Today's design is probably going to be the easiest one that I'm sharing this week. It's just a simple floral arrangement with roses. I have these roses. I don't know where I got them. They're pink, light pink with some deep pink hues. I've had them forever and I'm trying to use the things I have. Storage costs money. I'm not buying another bin. So I'm going to be using the florals I have and making some arrangements and keep it moving. All right. So I have these and it is actually 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 2 dozen. I'm just by quick estimate, I think it's 2 dozen roses. I have these pink ceramic roses. I can't tell you again how long I've had them. I've had them forever. And I've always just had, I have 3 of these. I've had them arranged in a vase in my bedroom. And I think they're ceramic or clay or something. They're breakable, whatever they are. So I'm going to be gentle with those. I'm just going to mix them into this arrangement. I have this cut glass vase that may have been thrifted. I can't even remember. I've had this again so long. And I've got some blue glass beads inside. I'm going to leave them in there because I believe this is going out to the cabana, and the blue and pink is going to work out there. Okay. So I have these tied together. I must have had these in an arrangement before with some tinsel string. So I'm just going to get that off. Okay, and I'm just going to start arranging. I'm going to try to see if any of these happen to be taller. So I'll make sure I get them in the center. But they're probably basically the same height. All right, I got it now. Let's start with you. Going on. All right, so those are my taller ones, and the pieces they have attached. The shorter, I'm going to kind of spray those out a bit so they don't get lost in the leaves and branches of the other ones when I add them. Okay, so they should be my taller roses. I'm going to start adding these in kind of groups of 3s depending on tall they seem to be, filling in my spaces. Some of these, the beads will hold them in place, and for others, just because the leaves are so thick, that will hold some of them in place. Some of them have problems getting down to the beads. Trying to make sure the outer ones are shorter than my centers. Okay. I love the fact that these have some baby's breath on them. Lay right onto them. I think I need to adjust my lighting a little bit. Oh, that's much better. You can see the flowers. Can you still see me? All right, so I got one more. Let's see where you're needed the most. There we go. I'm liking that. Too bunched. I'm just bending some of them down so they're not two roses directly next to each other. Just giving them a little bit of life. Oh no! You lost your head over the whole matter. Pop that right back going. And it looks like you belong right here. Looking nice and full all the way around. And these, don't like to cut anything I don't have to, but yeah, maybe I don't have to. See if I can do a triangle. Going around. Is that the bottom? All right, that's too tall. Yeah, that might have been the bottom. These stems are really thick, so hopefully. Oh. That's not gonna work. See if my super duper cutters are gonna work. So far, these have gotten me through anything. Woo! All right. I don't think I want this to steal the thunder, so I'm gonna. I'm going to blend these in. They're not going to stand out. And I'm just going to try to do every third one there. One here. I need to back up a little bit. There we go, a little bit more. All right. Well, that was some work, just cutting those flowers, but here's my arrangement. You see that little bit of blue tint coming out of the bottom. And of course, I'm going to be shaping these. And yeah, because just putting in the other ones kind of moves some things around. There we go. It's a little better. A little better already. that's my arrangement. And since this is the ceramic one that's open, I will consider that the front, and when I stage it, that will be the focal point. That will be the spot that I definitely want to show. Okay? So, just tossing some roses in a vase, adding your little touches of whatever you have, and you have a beautiful arrangement. All right, it's going to show up in my decor this spring or summer. And since this is going in the cabana, we may have to wait a little while to see this one in its full glory. Okay? All right. Again, this is Spring Floral Week on Kay's Creative Home. I've got some more designs to share with you. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified when my next video is released. And share this with others so they can get some ideas for their spring florals. All right, I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.